Hi guys, I just want to show you guys, this is a very quick video. I just want to show you guys I can do the grudge. I can actually do the sound of the grudge, what the grudge does. Listen to this. Isn't that awesome? I'll do it again. I'll go deeper this time. Whew. Awesome. My face turning red. Holy moly. Hurts my throat though. Hurts my throat when I does it. Oh my god. Yeah. It's awesome. I can actually do the grudge. Yeah. I found out that talent when I seen the grudge. When I watched the movie The Grudge. And I found out I could actually do that talent. Yeah, it's awesome. So drop your comments down below and let me know if you guys can do the grudge. Alright? And if you can, prove it. Prove it to me. Everybody can say, well, I can. Everybody in comments can say I can do it. Be truthful now and tell me if you can or not. Alright? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I love you all. Bye, everybody.